Dinah Jolie here, aka SirenbellaSays. I want to welcome you back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. This whole Instagram TV thing is very new to me. However, I do have a channel on YouTube, also at SirenbellaSays, and I post regularly to my regular IG account. So again, if it's your first time watching, welcome. I post beauty reviews, makeup try-ons, lifestyle, sometimes politics. You never know. It's just all kinds of fuckery going on. So I kind of gave up on filming today because I could not focus to save my life. Went outside, took the dog for a brief romp, went to the mailbox, and look what I found. My final IPSY package. I have suspended service, trying to save some coins, and I just kind of felt like I wasn't getting the value that I'd come to expect from IPSY, and because I'm already subscribed to BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm's kind of been winning these past couple of months, especially the August box. I digress. So this is my final IPSY glam bag, and I wanted to unbag it with you. So let's just dive right on in. If you are not already subscribed to IPSY, it is a monthly beauty and skincare service where you get full-size samples of all different kinds. You can get primers, masks, a lip liner. I mean, the sky's the limit. And again, some months it's fantastic and others, wah, wah, wah. All right, let's do it. Let's see what the theme is. The good thing about IPSY is that you get a really beautiful bag with each month's package. All right, you open her up. Always make sure to dump everything out because sometimes there's something hiding. All right, first thing I notice is this Contour 218M by Farah. I do own a few Farah brushes. Really beautiful electric violet, if you can see. And it says contour. It's soft. It's much softer than most of the contouring brushes that I have, but I really do like the shape. Really beautiful. And a matte black handle. Really nice. You go, Farah, you go. Made in China. All right, you've got this gorgeous pink sort of paint splattery looking bag. IPSY in the back and really gorgeous detailing. I love this. It looks like a jewel. And then you open her up and you got some goodies inside. All right. You also get this postcard. So your glam bag just got better. Starting with your October glam bag, enjoy these new features. All right, well, I guess they're changing their service, which doesn't apply to me. Okay, so this month it's Find Your Light. September's all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. So if you do receive the IPSY bag every month, whenever you upload, include the hashtag discover yourself and you might get a shout out from IPSY. All right, and then you get all of the offerings. So let's, I'll refer to it if I need to. All right, first we have the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. It's 7.5 mils or 0.25 fluid ounces. And this is described as a luxurious yet lightweight cream with advanced hyaluronic acid technology, providing 24-hour hydration. And we know that hyaluronic acid restores suppleness. It attracts moisture to the skin, so they say. I've never been mad at a serum or a moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid. The 24-hour claim, we shall see. 92% reported fine lines and wrinkles appeared less visible. And it says to massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Follow with a Murad sunscreen. You should always be wearing an SPF of 50 on your face every day. I don't care what shade you are, what ethnicity, what language you speak, how deep or how fair you think your skin tone is. SPF 50, no discussion. All right. Let's open her up. Now here's the thing, you get this big old box, right? And then you dump her out And she's a baby. I mean, 0.25 ounces. It's so little. This is my conundrum with IPSY. It's like, yeah, I mean, they're super cute, but man, I go in with my skincare and my makeup, but absolutely no fragrance, which I like. Nice and milky. My face is cleansed, and I do have my SPF, and I put way too much. It definitely spreads. What do y'all think of this mustache? I am delaying the inevitable. We always want to drag our moisturizers and our serums down our neck and décolletage. All right, Murad. By the way, I have a 3-piece skincare system from Murad that I purchased from Marshall's last month. It's a vitamin C cleanser with a serum. Where are you? I'm gonna find it. It's where is it? Oh, here it is. Just to prove my point. So I've got the cleanser upstairs in my bathroom, but it's the Murad Advanced Active Radiance Serum. This one's supposed to help with brightening. And then the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And then the cleanser's humongous. So this little baby Murad is gonna join its Murad brothers and sisters and half-sisters and shit. All right, next. Haha. We have the I Love Ofra Lippies. We have the Ofra Madison Miller Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This color is right up my alley. It's just this beautiful, cool toned pink lippy. Ofra's a great, great, great company. I don't know much about them as far as like their mission statement or where they're from, but I do know that everything. Oh yeah, the smell. It smells. Oh, this mustache is killing me. It just smells like. It smells like baked goods. The formula is thin, and you want to give her time to settle down before you go in, smoking a cigarette or drinking your gin and juice. All right, so Ofra, yes. For me, this full-size lippy from Ofra would pretty much, this would be my conversation every month. It would be, oh, the other products might be babies, but at least I got a full-size lippy. Or it would be an eye topper. But yes to the Ofra. I already know this was going to be a perfect daytime, no fuss. Put it on and keep it moving. All right, next we have the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer. I have never heard of Lovecraft Beauty. Now we have. This is called Sunniva, made in China. First ingredient is talc and then mica, if that means anything to you. And then it says it may contain all of these products or these codes that I know nothing about. Packaging is really lovely. This is gonna, now let's see how it's gonna be a baby. All right, and this is LCB Lovecraft Beauty. Really, really cute, glossy black. You open her up, really, really, really lovely, neutral bronzer. Yeah, I can dig it. You can tell there's absolutely no shimmer. Yeah, I'm all about the bronzer life. Let's find a brush. Oh, let's use our, I get it now. Let's use our Farrah brush. Let's see if we can chisel this unpowdered cheekbone. There is a bit of kickback. And, okay, as you can tell, there's definitely pigment. Oh yeah, okay, note to self, don't apply over freshly moisturized skin. Don't dig in too aggressively to the pan. No contour, with contour. So what I would normally do, like if I were doing the Scott Barnes method, is I would actually use a powder bronzer. This feels really, really silky. I would use this over my moisturized base, contour, conceal, and then I would go over with a foundation, and it would blend out beautifully. And I'm gonna do a demonstration. So I do like that brush very much. That's a nice brush. And then I brush with no product. And again, keeping in mind that I don't have any powder on my face or anything to help with the blending, but okay, let's do an experiment. Let's do an experiment. I'm gonna take my physician's formula and let's just do a little dotting action and see if the contour will convey. I'm just gonna grab a dry sponge. I'm looking in the viewfinder. This is not what I had planned. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So, contoured, not contoured. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let me turn my lights down a bit. Yeah, that's super pretty. All right. Yes to the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer. I can't wait to play with this more. I would most likely, in the future, grab a fluffy face brush. You know, really get that excess product, and I would probably just all over bronze. Yeah, I really like this. I look forward to learning more about the brand. And that's another thing about IPSY, is that you learn about maybe some, you know, less well-known indie brands. And that's why I love, you know, being a content creator on YouTube and on Instagram, because you get to, you know, you get to introduce your supporters to brands that they might otherwise, you know, not know anything about. So obviously this is looking patchy, so I'm gonna go in with a spritz. This is a nice little trick whenever things just aren't behaving and you just want to clean up some lines. Not those kind of lines. And you just go on. I was not planning on putting makeup. I was actually gonna do a mask. So funny. This was not my intention. All right. Nice and cleaned up. Am I ready for my close-up? Mr. President, am I ready for my close-up? All right, moving along, moving along. We've stayed way too long. All right. Shut the fuck up. Last but not least, we have the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating formula in shade 2.16. Hat's coming off, motherfuckers. Hat's coming off. I should have... See, this is like Russian roulette. This is like Russian... All right, I think... Let's go ahead and... You know, a mirror would be nice, but... This is the most unconventional unboxing I've ever filmed or witnessed. Smashbox, do not be mad at me right now. They're like, who is this bitch representing our brand? Oh my god, I'm at 14 minutes. Okay, all right, you guys, that was it. Do I think this month's bag was worth it? Oh shit, 30 seconds. Yes, I do. I love the bronzer. I can't wait to play with the Smashbox. I love the lippy. IPSY, I think you curated a fantastic bag this month. Who fucking knows? I might even come back. I mean, you might have convinced me. All right, you all, thank you for hanging out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Come find me on YouTube. Click that follow button on Instagram. Introduce yourselves. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.